去帐篷里面睡觉了。
哪里嘛？
云贵山，云贵山。
哦，露营。
露营的时候，早上一起来太冷了，然后我就一看那一点点太阳出来了，我就又去睡觉去了。
那边路我们要从茶园穿，从茶园穿。
This is what we call for crazy foreigner。不是南山，这个是巴南的一部分，也叫南山南，
哦、
南山南，都是在巴南区里面。看看这跟这里有多远，我估计没有多远，但是那个是茶园那边。不是，这就是重庆外面吧？这不是在重庆
巴南
边缘地区，不能说。
的等呢。Videos.
Oh, I should take my helmet on.
It's fine. I think it's fine.
Okay, that's cool. So
okay.
Now you don't do this anymore?
You want?
No, I'm just kidding. Come on. Oh, bye. Yeah. Taking photos or videos?
Videos.
Oh, I should take my helmet on.
It's fine. I think it's fine.
Okay, that's cool. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Nice place, huh? There, sir, there. Just right there. Maybe we can go this way. I'm not sure. Cool. Yeah, off-road, I like it. Okay. He's a big chicken. He don't dare to come down. But I think maybe we picked the wrong way. Right? So it's time to turn around, right? Yeah. Wrong way. He's coming. He's coming. I mean, why not? We're already here. Let's go explore.
我觉得的车，我们的车要弄的，你不管。
他那个，你那个好搞，他那个太重了。
哦，还有那个，哦，不一分。
Right?
肯定。
Oh, too heavy.
Woo!
你骑上去，我们来推。你骑上去。
那边，我去那边。
一档吗？你在一档对吧
Yeah. Just put it back.
Yeah, put it back. So let's go.
这边。好的。
走。
This is off-road.
No。建议你骑上去。骑上去，不要拧离合，直接冲。对。到。
他知道边边都抓不起了，他那个轮胎。It was at that moment you know you fucked up, right?
I fucked up. When I was in the middle, no problem.
Yeah, you should
And
go in the
somehow I
middle.
come this way.
但你走去边边去了就没办法了。
他边边那个全是，
对，你走出这个。
边边全。 flowers maybe.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Looks
quite beautiful.
No, these are not rose, by the way.
Seems like
Oh shit,
no one here. Yeah.
That's what I said, man. Fuck, look. Damn. It's like a kitchen?
No, I think it's for pigs. Pigs, yeah.
But they also cook outside like this.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe this is a kitchen.
No. This might be a bathroom, washroom.
No, I think that's a kitchen. And this house is the old one.
It's
know,
like more than 100 years.
People when they're poor, they're living in this.
Oh yeah.
And when they get rich, they build up this new house.
Right. That's good. These are for the cooking. 做饭的.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. And this is for. So we still go or we give up?
Not sure. You don't want to go that place. I think that the place is just here.
Okay. We can go
You know what is this?
Holy shit! These are some flowers. Pipa.
No, I think it's 李子.
Peach.
Not peach. 李子.
No, 不可能，这不是lychee，不是lychee。
这应该是李子，还没长熟。No, come on, man. This is not pipa. I'm quite sure this is 李子。李子树。
Exploring the cornfield. This is actually a cornfield.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Oh,
It's actually a cornfield.
yeah, corn.
Yeah.
Corn.
Oh, this.
Feels like this field is abandoned, right?
Yeah, I think so. Follow me. Oh yeah, this is the place we're talking about from there, but it doesn't look beautiful though.
You sure? You sure it's here?
Yeah, it's here. This is the one. Yeah, we were there. Yeah, we were there, top. And we saw this place actually.
Yeah, maybe.
But this corn, oh, they have some, you see? These are
Veggies. Yeah, veggies.
veggies.
Yeah, veg.
花菜，但是没有人要，你看，
啊，
都已经
被虫吃掉了，
都已经垄断了。我操
被虫吃掉了。
We can take some.
Yeah, we can steal.
No, this is not stealing. It's just like, hey, be careful.
我在哪里摘了菜儿
These are some cabbage.
Yeah, cabbage. Yeah, cabbage. Yeah, we can take some. And when we get caught,
I would say
100.
no. Foreigner privilege. Nobody will say anything.
Foreigner free, right?
Yeah. Let's take a small one, not big one.
这个100% organic.
Yeah. Look. I
No
don't know how to
poison.
cook. I don't know how to cook this.
Oh, come on. You just make it into pieces and boil it. Boiled water.
Just boil water?
Yeah.
我操！里面有虫。
Big worm, right?
虫。
Yeah, big worm. I know.
Fuck. Fuck it. Forget it.
Very big worm. I know it.
Yeah, actually, 这些都是被虫吃掉了。
Butterfly.
We can-
You see?
We can see this whether it has some corn.
No
the
corn.
Corn should be here. On
Yeah,
the
no
top,
corn
not
now.
down
No corn
there.
now. It's
Oh yeah.
not the season.
Wow. Look at this field, man. Amazing. Man. A cornfield. Ah, yeah.
你老家哪儿来？
农场，
农场。
哎，兄弟们，
农场哪儿嘛？
农场那个滨花园那边儿
哦，我只晓得那个啥子，把陆空古镇我去了2回儿。
啊，陆空那边儿也好耍。陆空
Oh. Looks cool.
陆空是个古镇嘛，
我老家永川。
永春了。哎，我们那挨着蛮好远的，20多公里。当放历史也有可能性。
So it's time.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I think we got like another 4 minutes to explore and then we'll head back. Oh, come.
快点好天。
No, actually, you are wearing too much. Thanks.
老子。
这是小，这是小的，还没长熟。
但是这哦，我知道，这确实 palm。
Palm,
Yeah, yeah, now I
palm.
got it. Yeah, palm. Palm.
Delicious.
应该没有种这种东西对吧？
我们很少。
你说孟加拉国吗
你在哪个肯定不会种这种。
？No palm in Bangladesh.
No palm.